Hey y'all, it's Kitty. Sorry I didn't get up a Mom's Makeup Mondays this Monday. My life has been a little bit busy. Um, you're probably only going to see one video this week, but I'm going to try and get back on track. So I got the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. I'm so excited. I've played with this a whole bunch and I really love it. This is what the inside looks like. It has a big mirror. You can see my messy desk. So this is what it looks like. If you see seashell down here looks a little janky, that's because mine came broken and I did repress this myself. I just realized that my lights are off. So give me just 1 second to turn them back on. How's that? Is that better? Can you see this a little bit better? Now the first thing I want to say about this palette as a review is that the colors are not all true to color. So for instance, Flip Flops up here comes across a little bit more orange when you actually use it. Sunbathe and Popsicle are a little bit sheerer than I would like. Flamingo, Watermelon, and Coral all are, I don't want to say sheerer than I expected, but they don't always pack a punch, although they are, almost all of the shades are very buildable, which is nice. So I just wanted to get that out of the way. I'm going to put on eye primer, set it, and I will be right back. So I have primed my eyes with my Urban Decay Primer Potion and set that with the lightest shade in my e.l.f. Mad for Matte Summer Breeze eyeshadow palette. I am so close to hitting pan on that. You could easily set the shadow with sand. If you're similar to my complexion, that would work really well, but I am trying to hit pan on that one shadow in the e.l.f. Mad for Matte Summer Breeze eyeshadow palette, so that's what I used. So I'm going to start off by going into Popsicle, and I'm going to put that in my crease. One thing I don't like about this palette is that this doesn't bend all the way back, so I can't fold it around. Next, I'm going to go into Watermelon and put that underneath Popsicle. Now I'm going to put a little bit more of Popsicle on this eye because it looks like it needs it. Maybe I need more of Watermelon. I'm going to try putting more of Popsicle. Popsicle was the first shade we went into. The palette is a little bit bulky with the back not being able to bend around, so I don't want to pick it up when I don't have to. Going back into Watermelon. I don't know why those don't look even. Oh well, I'm not a professional. Let's move on and see what we can do to make it better looking. Because that's the thing with makeup. It's not going to look perfect unless you're a professional makeup artist, and even then it might not look perfect, and I'm not a professional makeup artist, and realistically probably professional makeup artists are not watching my tutorials because they're professionals, and I'm not. So us non-professionals need to get together and realize that things are not going to look even all of the time, and it's a game of trying to make it look even and sometimes failing and working with it anyway. Next, I'm going to go into donut over here and pack that onto the outer corner of my lid with my fingers. My plan is to then go into bikini on the center of the lid and tidal wave on the inner corner. I'm pointing these out now because, once again, this palette is a little bit bulky, and so I don't want to have to keep lifting it up. So we're going to go into donut, bikini, and tidal wave. So next I'm going in with bikini on the center of the lid. And tidal wave, which was the blue, I'm going to go in on the inner corner. And don't worry about getting it all down here. We can clean that up afterwards. You just want to make sure you're getting it nice and on the lid. Next I'm going to go back into bikini, which is the purple, and just brighten up that lid. Tap it together with the blue so that it starts to blend together. And now I'm going to go clean up both the fallout and all the blue on the inner corner that we don't want, and I will be right back. This is the completed look. It is a nice, colorful, summer, fun look with the Violet Voss Flamingo palette. I am in love with this palette. Honestly, I've been using it so much. I haven't been giving any love to my single shadows. I love this palette. I would love it if you could like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. All of those things would tell the YouTube algorithms that maybe I'm someone that they could share with others, and it would really help me out. Also, leave a comment down below. Do you prefer me to finish my face and then sign off, or do you prefer me to just finish the eye look and be done with it? Let me know down below because I'm curious what you guys think. And I don't have a witty sign off, but I will see you guys later. Bye!